you doing, Rocco? Oh, goodness. How cute. Good job, buddy.
He was so thirsty.
It's hot here in Cincinnati, huh? Look at you. You want any more? More, not anymore.
I'm doing it too. I'm doing it too.
Rocco, tell Nani more.
He just went right for it. How fun it is. He's not afraid. Is that yummy? Good. Yeah. You okay, Fred? Yeah. Oh, he's so funny.
He tries to open his mouth to the side.
I know.
Goodness, you're going to be soaked, buddy.